What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. As y'all see, we got the X5M in the background. We about to do the downpipe install. Catless downpipes. I'll show y'all real quick. Got the Catless downpipes right here. They a little dirty because we've been doing the body work on the G. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the wide body G. We got it coming. Sheesh, coming along pretty good. But as y'all see, we got the X5M in here with nuclear tail lights. Got the hood pop, about to get started. And we got the carbon intakes on that junk. First we gotta remove the heat shield. Let's get it. Just unplug the sensor right here. We can take it out after we unscrew it. Got this O2 sensor socket. Take off first. Got the first sensor out. You don't want to drop these screws, so we're gonna make sure you drop the screw. It will be inside of the manifold. Make it easier for you. So, see, it's this one right here. That is T27. We'll take this back bracket off. We also unlatch this right here. And you can see the stock turbos right here. Everything's connected. Woo-wee. What's up, y'all? So, can we just speak about the position that this car got us in? Hey, if there's a will, there's a way. You know what I'm saying? My car, you know, we up in there. Up in that bitch. So what we're gonna show you right now is we just got all the bolts and the screws off the upper primary downpipes. So and the sensors and the it was 4 O2 sensors. 1, 2, 3 right here. So we about to pop this joint off. Still need to pop the bottom brackets. And we'll see y'all when we pop the other brackets. Talk soon. Get in where you get to. Alright. Guten Tag. No. I don't know how to speak German. Sound like something a German person would say now. Take it. All this muffling from the sound, that's where the... We have to break it free. With what? I don't know, because the fucking flathead opened up the clamp right here. The hinge is about welded on the jump. Got the bottom off and stuff at the top. This is a cat right here. Take that away. Got that first downpipe in. Sitting all flush and good stuff like that. We got to get this last one. Whew, only took us 30 minutes. Woo-wee! This is a project, I'll tell you.
Ready?